Hello, here is a recording proving that my app does not share any Google user data including email, profile picture, or name with the DeepSeek or OpenRouter. So I'm going to log in with Google. I'll demonstrate the functionality and how my data is sent to DeepSeek or any of the other AI models to confirm that no user data is being sent. Then I'll go ahead and send another message to DeepSeek, which is one of the AI models which I use. You can see I've sent the message, so it takes some time to get the response. And you can see in my console, in my terminal, you can see the results returned by DeepSeek, which also appear in the mobile app. So I'll go ahead and show the code. You can see that's the Flutter function, which calls DeepSeek. You can see it calls a function in Firebase functions, which is held in index.js. So index.js holds all the functions that are hosted in Firebase. So I'm searching for the exact function. So you can see the exact function which sends the prompt to DeepSeek. You can see also print out the data that we get from the user. So you can see it's DeepSeek request data. So I'll go ahead into Firebase functions, and then we can check the logs to confirm the data that is being sent to DeepSeek. So from the logs, you can see that the request data being sent is DeepSeek request data, and then we have the JSON string that is being sent, which only has the messages. You can see it's only, I specify the prompt, the model, and the prompt, and no user data is included. So I'll go ahead and search for that function so as to view the functionality of it. You can see that it's only used to prove that the user has been authenticated, but after authentication, there is no data associated with that user that is sent to DeepSeek API. You can see it's only the user ID that is being used to confirm authorization. I've also implemented app check to confirm that requests are only coming from legitimate devices. You can see the place where I'm calling the DeepSync function. You can see the exact text that is being sent, messages being sent to DeepSeek. You can see this messages being sent. We have the role and we have the contents. And you can see that's why it's being printed. That's the highlighted text. So we could also, to confirm further, we can print out, you can see in the terminal calling DeepSeek and then the prompt, you can see that we're only sending the prompt and the model. And I'll go ahead, since I can't be able to search for it since it's a large text, I'll open the entire terminal so as to see the message, the prompt that is being sent to the backend. You can see the front-end text being sent calling DeepSeek, and then the prompt, you can see I'm just putting in the prompt and then I'm telling it to continue with the conversation without any user data being sent to the backend. You can see the request I sent, and it also includes previous messages that had been sent by the user. So that's how the AI model is able to get context. So as a last verification, I'll go ahead and show you the DeepSeek dashboard to confirm that from the DeepSeek dashboard I can't be able to get data associated with a certain user. You can see from the dashboard I can only see the usage of my tokens. There is no any option to associate that certain data with a certain user, and that's not an option I know of provided by DeepSeek or any other AI model. In case you need any further clarification, I'll be happy to provide the details. Choose. Thank you.